Hi guys, how are you? Let me know down below. Today we're gonna go through FabFitFun. So this is the FabFitFun for fall and then the add-ons that I have. So I have not at all yet opened this up. Oh no, for a second I thought it was taped actually, but no, it's just gotta be pulled open. So this is the inside, cute little fall leaves. In the middle of taping that intro, I literally realized that my mic was not on, so hopefully it sounds better now. I do see a little Dove Advanced Care inside. I guess this was free TSA approved. Now you tell me. Jeez. So I took a little trip with my baby and I celebrated my birthday and now I am back. So this is the pamphlet. I think I'm just gonna dive in. I think that's what's gonna happen here. All right, guys. So the first thing I have on top is a hair mask from Gloss Modern, and it is the Clean Luxury Hair Mask, sulfate free, paraben free, and vegan. That's awesome. I don't remember picking that though. I thought I picked, oh wait, I did. Okay, so I picked something that's actually going to be good for my curls, hopefully. I'm excited about this because I've heard good things about this company, and I am trying to wear my curls more naturally, I guess you would say. And I heard this is like the perfect thing to just put in your hair and then let it be and not have to put like gels and other things in there. So this is by Pattern. This is the Curl Gel Shine, Define, and Hold. So that sounds like it's going to be a great product, maybe right after the mask. This is just some stuff for HelloFresh and a company called Nutrish. Oh, I think they do your like personalized vitamins. I don't know what this is, but we shall open her up and see. Guys, I've got so many videos like lined up to do. I just haven't found the time, and I'm going to get on and explain why and what I'm doing. It's just taking me some time because I just have no time right now. My baby just went back to school. What the hell is this? Try Heineken 0.0. 0% alcohol. 100% of the taste. I think I'm going to pass on that. I don't drink beer and I don't. This is for wine cellars. My goodness. Okay, so this is, I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is the Zoe Ayla. This is the eco-friendly comb set, and it is just a set of combs. I don't know if we really need to open that right now, but they're combs. All right, guys. Okay, oh, I'm excited about this. So this I really liked because I have a lot of jewelry, crystal jewelry. I actually even have my one guy on right now. So I've got a lot of crystal jewelry and different jewelries that I choose to wear every day. So this is just like a 3-piece. It could be really anything, but I'm going to use it on my vanity for holding jewelry. So I am excited about this. This is like the one thing I was really excited about in this box, which is sad to me. Sad. I do love Elemis, and this is their papaya enzyme peel. This is one of my was one of my favorite brands. I don't haven't used too much stuff from it right now. I'm really into Glow Recipe, and I still want to do that video. I forgot about doing a skincare video, but this is supposed to be a enzyme peel, so that's exciting. 10-minute rinse off, and it's like a light peel. Awesome. The next thing I see here is by Earth Harbor, and it is their marine. So it is Marine Biome Brightening Ampule. It is named for its treasured ocean blue, botanicals she possesses. So let's see what she looks like. I feel like I have so much from this company that it's definitely possible that I already have this. I know that we have like Boxy, FabFitFun, and Causebox, I think. Causebox this time around was a mess for me. They sent me 3 different boxes, and neither of them were a full box. They were just like random items, and I don't know what's going on. I know that they like switched over, so I'm just gonna give it to that and like keep with it, you know, for fall, but it was a lot. So yeah, this is an ampule. I just don't know why I don't remember like getting a lot of this. Oh no. Okay, and so the last thing I have in here is the Dutch oven, but I just realized that it's taped shut, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's this guy right here, and then I'm going to put all this stuff back in and go into my add-ons, because for some reason I looked and I must have just went ham with add-ons, because I don't remember all this, guys. Okay, so I have these resistance bands because, one, they're good for, I have an ankle injury, so they're good for that, and then just stuff. I'm not allowed to do a lot of like workout activity. I'm not, and I really want to get back like toned, and it's hard because if I can't like run and I can't get my heart rate up and I can't lift anything more than 5 pounds, I figured resistance bands would be a little bit better for me. I think a little bit safer. So I did it's an 11-piece resistance band set, and they all have different resistance. So obviously I'll have to be very careful with even this, but I don't know. I can't lose all of my life in this disease, and I know I have to be careful, and I have to respect my illness. I have to respect my body, you know what I mean? But I can't lose everything that used to be a part of me. And I played professional football. I played, soccer all my life. I played sports. I'm a very sporty person, and now I lost all of that, and I feel like just taking a little bit of back is really healthy for the mind, and obviously just being safe, So the next thing I did want to get the frying pan. I really had to choose between that, and I think it was the Dutch oven, and I figured both were actually good to get for the add-on price. And this is a frying pan for those of you that did not see it. It's really pretty blue 8-inch frying pan. And this is really cute. I'm just noticing all the other colors. I wonder if they're different sized ones or if they're all just different colors. Ooh, it popped. I love popping that. Now I save it for my son, but I used to love it when I was younger. Alright guys, so I feel like this was in my bag. Maybe box. Maybe they just couldn't fit it in. I was going to say, I don't think I went this ham, because there's a lot of add-ons here. So these are great for work. The thing is I ended up, after making this choice, getting a Michael Kors one for myself for my birthday, and then I got a Jeffree Star one, as you guys might have seen back before, in a mystery bag or box. So this is cute. It's got an inside pocket, outside pocket, and just a cute little, you could wear it crossbody or fanny pack, so it'll work. Let's see. Okay, so I got this. It's a menstruation cup, and I've been wanting to try one of these. For those of you that have any expertise in this, I guess you could say, let me know down below if there's any, like, I don't know. I just don't know if there's any, like, proper way to do it, or what I should know about this, guys. Let me know what I should know. So I'm excited about this because I hate tampons, because I love them for every other reasons, but I hate the fact that there's like toxicity in them, and I know you can get the clean ones, but they're still not great for the planet, and then on top of it, like, nothing else is great for the planet for it, so I figured what better than a menstrual cup. I tried it. And then it looks like I have 2 more things here. Oh my goodness, lies. What the heck? Oh my. Okay, so first of all, I thought this came in my box, so it must just be that some of the stuff is outside my box because they couldn't fit it all. But this is the pumpkin and ginger detox charcoal mask, and I'm always really careful with charcoal masks because they're made for like oily skin, not dry skin, and I tend to have dry skin. But I looked at a lot of the stuff in it, and it looked good for me. It's just going to be something that I'm have to use like every once in a great while, but yeah, it sounded good, and I needed a detox and like a charcoal mask, so I went with that. And then this is Babe Lash Mascara. And then this is the Babe Lash Duo. This is the serum, which I love and I use. And then an enhancing conditioner. And I wanted to try to use them together and see how my lashes did, because they're doing really well using the Babe Lash. I use the Babe Lash, and I also use this guy right here. This is the New Lash. I'm not sure which one of it is really doing it for me, but my lashes are starting to finally come back naturally, because I was getting extensions for a really long time. I ended up destroying my lashes, and then it took literally forever. It's been like 6 months of grow back time. I'm not joking. So be careful out there not to destroy your lashes. And then this I got because it was a cute windbreaker. Oh, I kind of expect it to be a little bit thicker than this, but it's cute. And I don't know, I needed a nice windbreaker because I really don't have one. It seems like the arms are so short, but I guess they're not. Yeah, so I got this. So that was a lot, right guys? That was all of the add-ons and everything in my box for, it looks like, the fall of 2021. Let me know what you guys got down below. I know it's been like a little hiatus for me, and I'm posting videos when I can. I've got the ColourPop one that is going up as well. I'm not sure if it went up before this or after this. I'm trying to knock 2 of them out in one night after work. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me again. And like I said, I have a whole birthday haul that I have to show you guys with really fun palettes that I got. And I'm excited because I want to do some looks and talk, and I have really cool things to talk about. So I'm excited. Just bear with me a little bit longer. I hope you're here still for the unboxings, and I love you for that. But I'm sending you guys all so much light and love. Let me know if you liked my box. I mean, I don't even know at this point what was in my box, what wasn't, and I don't know. I liked it. And I always like my FabFitFun. I can say that that's the one box that I always like. My Boxy Charms will be here soon. And then I have my Ipsy coming as well. So yeah, like I said, guys, let me know what you got, if you got FabFitFun. If not, just let me know how you're doing, how your week has went so far, and talk to me. Let me know what's going on in your world. Also, like I said, if there's any topics, self-love wise, mental health wise, anything that you guys would like me to talk about, please list them down below, because I'm taking notes and coming up with ideas so that, like, when I'm ready to sit down and knock a bunch of videos out, I can prepare for those videos. And it's just not something I want to go into just freely talking to you guys. I want to do research and write things down and touch on some, certain topics, and prepare myself as I would if I was talking to a client about something as a life coach. All right, guys. So I love you all. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I hope you've been well and staying healthy, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.